Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our Grille Emblem Bezel for the '67 Ford Fairlane. Restoring a classic Fairlane can be rewarding if you know where to shop for the hard-to-find parts. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced the Grille Emblem Bezel for these classic machines. Made from new tooling for crisp details, they are pressure die-cast just like the Ford originals. Each bezel is chrome-plated for long life and comes complete with the mounting hardware. The center emblems are not included but are available separately depending on the version you require for your model. So give the grille on your '67 Fairlane a little extra shine by replacing your Grille Emblem Bezel with a high-quality replacement from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.